Hello friends, this is Krishna. I would like to welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Yoga by Krishna. In this my Excel automation course, you will learn basic skills that are required to make automation in Excel, and I promise you that I will make you comfortable with Visual Basic, and I'm going to take you from scratch to a complete big project. And whether you are a basic user of Excel or an advanced user, there is always something new to learn. So I will help you achieve that, and I will help you to customize your Excel template by using VBA, and will give you a new way of looking at your work. So this course, I have fragmented this course into 3 parts. So let me tell you what will I teach you in this course. So in first part, I will teach you what is range object and cell object that we will be using very frequently while doing these macros and all in Excel. Then I will give you a brief idea about variables, the tools and menus that are available in our Visual Basic editor. Then loops, it's an interesting concept in Excel, by using which it will save you a lot of time. So you don't have to write a single code again and again to do your task. You can put that code in a loop, for loop, or do while loop, or do loop, so that you don't have to write a bunch of code. Yes, 2 to 3 lines of code you will have to write. Then it will do your job. Then in the first part also I will teach you what are the workbook and worksheets events, and by using these events I will also share a mini project with you, and also do this project and also share the Excel file with you, so that you can get a little hint how I did this project. Then in the second part I will explain what are the ActiveX controls that are available in our Visual Basic editor, and by the use of this controls, the magic that you can put in your Excel macros. Then the user form, this user form is the best thing that has ever happened to Excel. By using this you can create invoice applications, data entry form, or maybe grocery management system. So it's a very useful technique that I will explain you. Then end of this course I will prepare a macro project, which in the way of learning this course you will have to do this, and after that I will give you a mini project. Then end of this session I will share a big project with you, maybe invoice macro which you can use to minimize your job, maybe sales automation which will save a lot of your time. You don't have to use Java or .NET for that. In your Excel, in every computer Excel is available, so you don't have to install any other application. I will tell you the easy way to make an application using this Excel VBA. So thank you so much guys, and I hope that you are looking forward to this course, and you'll watch each and every video that I am going to upload each day. So you'll be expert in VBA macro and all. So thank you so much guys. I hope you'll like my videos. So to watch my new videos you can like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is Excel Yoga by Krishna. Thank you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.